Hello, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet stitch in rows. So here I have my worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook, but you can use whatever hook and yarn you have on hand. And I'm going to start just by making a slip knot. So I have my slip knot made, and I'm going to place it on my hook. And now I'm going to start by making my base chain, and you can chain as many as you like, but I'm going to start by chaining 12. And here I have my base chain of 12, and I'm ready to make my first half double crochet stitch. But before I do that, I'm going to add one more chain to my base chain, and this will give me enough height to make the stitch. So there, I've chained one extra, and now I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into that second chain. So this chain right here. So yarn over, insert my hook into the second chain, yarn over again and pull through to bring up a loop. And now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'll yarn over one more time and I'll pull it through all 3 loops. And there I've made my first half double crochet stitch. And now I'll continue working down the chain, making one half double crochet stitch into each chain. So I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the chain. And then I'll yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. And now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And there I've made my second half double crochet stitch. Finishing up the last stitch. And there's my first row of half double crochet stitches. So counting off my stitches, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I'm ready to do my second row of stitches, so I'll start by turning my work and flipping it over. I'm going to put the loop back on my hook. And then I'm going to start by chaining 2, and this will give me enough height to do my second row. So chain 1 and then 2, and then I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook back into that first stitch, which is the last stitch from the first round. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and now I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and then pull through all 3 loops, And there I've made my first half double crochet of row 2. And now I'll continue working a half double crochet into each stitch of the row. Finishing up the last stitch of row 2. And there's my second row of half double crochet stitches. Counting off my stitches, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I'm going to crochet just a few more rows. Get some more yarn ready. And so I'm going to turn my work, get the loop back on my hook, and I'll start by chaining 2, and then I'm going to cut a yarn over first, yarn over, and then insert my hook into the stitch. Have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And there I've made my first half double crochet stitch of row 3, and then I'll just continue down the row. Finishing up the last stitch, and I've done a few more rows. And that's how you do a half double crochet stitch. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.